Toys and Games gal.
I'm Dolls, Toys, and Games gal.
I'm your daughter.
Okay, well, hello. We remade Justine Dancer's doll bed. Why? Well, check out the old Justine Dancer doll bed. It is in bad need of a remake because I'm going to pull this out and show you. The headboard, which was a castle, is not even connected anymore, and it's kind of fallen forward.
Wasn't me.
All right, I've taken the bed apart, and let's see what we can reuse. We can probably reuse this bed and the poles. For the new headboard, I'm going to be using these two ballerina wood shapes. And for the footboard, let's see what we can find in our craft drawers since we're in quarantine and can't go out. Oh, that looks nice. And hey, I found another small ballerina wood shape. So I wonder if I am able to hot glue one to the other, painted of course. It would look really nice. I started by painting the two large ballerina wood shapes gold, the small one pink, and the wood footboard silver. Also, this is Justine Dancer's old blanket. It was an actual ball gown on a blanket.
I want a blanket like that. That way I don't have to get dressed in the morning.
Good thinking. Well, because we can't go out, we're going to have to reuse what we already have. You guys might recognize these fabrics from other Ever After High doll beds that we've made. This gold one I actually used in Justine Dancer's old doll bed, so good to use it again. I'm thinking of using them for curtains. So here's what I've got for Justine Dancer's new blanket. It's going to be a gold fabric, which I hemmed.
That's something new.
That's right, I learned to sew. With a piece of that black curtain fabric down the middle and some bling, and with the pink trim on the sides. But my daughter said it was missing something. So we're going to add the bling near the edges of the ribbon trim as well. See? I think it looks nice and it pulls everything together nicely.
Why, thank you.
My idea is to have the two ballerina wood shapes holding up a pair of curtains. So I'll be using the popsicle stick for that. We'll tie the curtains back with these black tassels I conveniently found, and we will reuse these 4 gold cubes from Justine Dancer's old bed.
Recycle, everyone! Yay, Earth!
Good girl. Okay, I also ordered these from Michael's and they delivered them to my house, which was awesome. Okay, now it's time to add the bling stickers to the 2 ballerinas and also to the footboard with the pink ballerina. And my idea was to use the bling to suggest ballerina tutus. And on the footboard, I outlined the ballerina around the 4 edges. I'm also hot gluing the ballerinas onto the cubes. It'll lift them a bit and give them some height. So I've hot glued them to either side of the bed, as well as the footboard and the 2 gold poles from the old Justine Dancer doll bed. And now it's time to make the curtains. For the curtain rod, it is going to be this popsicle stick painted silver. I'll hot glue it into the ballerina's hands like that, and then the curtains will dangle down from there. This black and gold fabric will be the curtains, and I'm going to be sewing gathers into the top to slide them over the popsicle stick. I did a pretty good job with the curtain so far. Let's get the other half on. Yay, I think that'll look really nice. Once we tie those curtains back with the black tassels, I think it'll be just about perfect. One more thing, I am reusing Justine Dancer's crystal disco ball, but since I'd already hot glued the popsicle stick, I had to use wire to attach it to the curtain rod. Now to finish it off, these poles need something, so I'm going to be using these silver balls that were also on Justine Dancer's old bed, and I also reused some of the ribbon that was on her old bed and wound them around the poles. And now we can introduce Justine to her new doll bed.
Finally, we can make Ramona and Justine's dorm room.
Yeah, should we do that?
Yeah.
I think Justine and her new doll bed go together really nicely. It really complements her. What do you think?
Yeah, and now for the test if she will fit in it.
Oh yeah, that's right. The crystal ball hangs pretty low. Oh
Maybe
boy.
it can hypnotize her to sleep.
It's right in her face. Well, I don't want to remake this for a while, so it will have to do. This video is dedicated to Emma and Victoria, and also to Madeline and Dylan.
Hi, cousins. I miss you.
Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and healthy.
Bye.